OPPO showcases conceptual design of music link accessories centered around TWS earphones. OPPO has unveiled yet another concept smartphone, this time it features a triple folding design. The device has been conceptualized in partnership with Japanese design studio Nendo, and it's not just the smartphone but the Chinese company has also announced some of the accessories. The company has unveiled designs for a bunch of products that are being referred to as Music Link, which is basically a collection of devices centered around a pair of true wireless earphones. Apart from that, it also includes a smartwatch, AI speaker, portable charger, and a wireless charger that all work together seamlessly. India is offering financial incentives to Samsung to relocate display factory from China. OPPO says that all these devices can interact with each other and complements each other in several different ways. For instance, the wireless charger has a recessed space that can hold the earbuds, and on top of that, a portable charger can be attached. The company also says that when the earphones and the portable charging case are placed on the AI speaker, the music seamlessly transitions from the headphones to the speaker. OPPO claims that the design reinforces the company's human-centric design philosophy. Do note that just like the OPPO slide phone unveiled by the company, these accessories are also concept at this point in time and are not yet launched commercially. But it's pretty evident that the company has some cool products up its sleeves, and we expect some interesting offerings in the near future. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.